Hello everyone, Data Hub is back with a brand new video. In our last session, we learned how to filter data, a simple but powerful skill. Today, we are going to go one step further. We're talking about cleaning raw data, which is always the first step before we start doing any kind of analysis. So, let's jump in straight into it and start today's video. So, usually the formulas that we use for cleaning, like trim, clean, substitute, split, text split, left, right, mid, lookup formulas like X lookup, like H lookup, like V lookup, index and match, filter, जो हमने like last अपनी class में use किया था, unique, if error. So these are a few basic formulas that we use to clean our data. So let's paste our raw data and see what we need to adjust in this. So if we look at our data closely, we can clearly see that there are some extra spaces that need to be fixed, capitalization issue, some last names are missing, duplication issues, uh, email addresses that need to be fixed, some broken numbers, some bad date formats, and so much more. So we'll be using the formulas that we have discussed before to fix this data or clean this data before we can begin with the analysis. So moving forward, before we actually apply the formulas, let's see a little bit about them, how the syntax works, what is the requirement of formula, what data we need to give in, what cell number, what range, what commas, or whatever the syntax requirement is. So when I'm looking at the trim formula, so you just give them the cell range, for example, is equal to trim A2. A2 is a cell number. So when you ever you give in the cell number, what does do? It clean every extra spaces and give you the proper output that you need. Okay, the next one is substitute. Substitute is basically you will give in the cell number, then you will give the value that needs to be changed. And the third thing is the change you want to. Right now, for example, substitute A2 means cell A2, empty space, inverted commas means, and the third thing is there's no space between the inverted commas. So what we will is do, whatever the space is in A2, it will remove those spaces. Let's get back to our data. Okay, let's get back to our data and apply the formulas that we have just learned. Uh, let's start with substitute. We apply the substitute formula, give the cell number, comma, double quotation, remove the empty spaces, comma, double quotation, and bracket closed. So the formula says it will remove any extra spaces that has been in the cell A2. See, the extra spaces has been removed. If you are watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with the more cleaning data videos.